Hey, and I'm back with another math video for you. Now, today we are going to chat about a super important concept in fractions. That's equivalent fractions. You'll see how multiplying or dividing both the numerator, the top number, and the denominator, the bottom number, by the same number gives us fractions that may look different but represent the same amount. They're equivalent. All right, let's jump into this. Let's start with this example, 2/3. That's 2 over 3. Now we're going to multiply both the top, the numerator, and the bottom, the denominator, by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 2 is 6. So we get 4/6. Let's do it one more time. Multiply both 4 and 6 by 2 again. Now we get 8 over 12, or 8/12. Even though these look different, they all show the same amount. They are equivalent. Now check this out. Check out the visual at the bottom, the circle diagrams. This proves that these fractions are equivalent. See, whether we divide the whole into 3 parts, 6 parts, or 12 parts, the purple shaded area stays the same. You see that? All right, so let's reverse this, okay? What if we start with 8/12? That's 8 over 12, and simplify it. Let's divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now we have 4/6. All right, let's keep moving. Let's simplify again. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. We get back to our original fraction, 2/3. This process is called simplifying a fraction. It helps us to write it in its smallest form. You see that? All right, so what is the takeaway? Remember to multiply or divide the top and bottom by the same number. When I say top, I mean the numerator. When I say bottom, I mean the denominator. Now, for the example today, I used 2. I multiplied by 2 and I divided by 2. But this works with any number. As long as you multiply or divide the top and bottom by the same number, you'll get an equivalent fraction. All right, that is it for this video. If this information helped, please subscribe. I would love to have you on future videos, and I will see you for the next one. Bye.